In this video, we're going to learn how to add 3 by 3 matrices. So to add matrix A, matrix B, that is A plus B, we're just going to check this, that is 2, -1, 0, 3, 2, 4, 6, 1, -2. And then we're going to add that to our matrix B, and the matrix B is -1, -2, 0, 3, 6, 1, and then we have 0, 2, -4. So to add matrices, you just consider the corresponding entries. So you look at the first one with the first one, the second one with the second one, and so on in the two matrices. So it means the first one will be 2 plus -1. So that is 2 minus 1. Then the next one will be -1 minus 2. So we have -1 plus -2 is the same as -1 minus 2. Then we have 0 plus 0. Then we have 3 plus 3. Then we have 2 plus 6. Then we have 4 plus 1. Then now we have 6 plus 0. Then we have 1 plus 2. Then we have -2 plus -4, that is -2 minus 4. So if we simplify this, we're going to have this is 2 minus 1, which is just 1, minus 1 minus 2, that is -3. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. And -2 minus 4 is -6. And that is the matrix that we have as the sum of the two.